Hello, I'm Marcus. I'm a painter and sculptor, mainly producing figurative artwork. I like mixing media, and these Schneider acrylic markers are ideal for producing colour and pattern on a wide variety of different materials. Today we're going to look at how to use acrylic markers on different types of paper. We're going to create an upcycled cardboard giraffe with a wild, colourful pattern, an upcycled milk carton turned into a decorative toy animal, a picture using recycled paper, and a 3D model of an elephant using recycled paper layered with masking tape. The acrylic markers work well on paper, including traditional drawing paper, cardboard, and some coated papers, even on newspaper. Some of these are more absorbent and dry faster, but generally the drying time on papers is quite fast. Once dry, the colour is permanent and remains vibrant, especially on coated paper. There are similarities working on these different types of paper, but there are still some differences between them. That comes down mainly to the thickness and the texture of the material. Some papers, like watercolour, have a textured surface. Markers may run less smoothly on these. This only means you have to work a little bit harder to fill in the areas. With papers like tissue paper, crepe paper, the colour may bleed and you can't get accurate marks, but you can use these as decorative elements in a larger design. Other services and inspirations can be found on our website and YouTube channel. The links are in the description. As always, if you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and follow us for other tips and tricks. Okay, here I've got a piece of corrugated cardboard which I'm going to upcycle into a standing, colourful giraffe. First I'm going to draw out the design of the giraffe. Just drawing these side bits in here. This is how the giraffe is going to stand. I've finished drawing the design. Now I'm going to put some colour onto it. Don't worry if you go over the design, it's going to be cut out. Okay, we're going to let this dry for 3 minutes. After that we will apply a more detailed pattern with a medium-sized red pen. It looks a little bit like spaghetti. Now we're going to wait 3 more minutes and then apply the final layers of black and white. We're going to let that dry for a good 6 minutes so it's completely dry, and then we're ready to cut it out and stand it up. I'm cutting it on a board so that it protects the table. And now we're going to bend these two flanges back so the giraffe will stand. We'll bend it right back like so. We're going to make a painting of a rooster. It's got a lot of colour and a lot of character. The first thing I'm going to do is just roughly sketch it out with a pencil. I'm going to break up the surface of this paper with some aluminium foil. You'll see the effect later. There'll be some glitter coming through the ink. So now we can start really get going on the painting. So the paper we're using is drawing paper. It's very smooth to apply the markers. This paper is not as absorbent as cardboard, allowing the colours to be a lot more vibrant. The colours are opaque, so that you can put dark colours down, and when it's dry you can put a lighter colour on top and it will show the lighter colour. I'm just experimenting here on the picture. I'm going to add a few last touches and then I'm going to use the final colour, which is black. I've got a milk carton which I'm going to upcycle into a small toy dog. This milk carton is made from paper that's impregnated. It has a shiny surface. I've used this acrylic spray to coat it, but once it's dry you can work on the surface very easily. The first thing I'm going to do is shape the box, and I'm going to make some ears out of a scrap piece of paper, and I'm just going to staple that. We're now going to start drawing on the surface. The pen goes on the plastic of the nose quite easily. I'm going to add some pink and some red for colour highlights. Details are everything, you know. I found a bit of card. To make the tail, you can bend it inside and add some tape. Okay, I'm going to use these bags to create a sculpture of an elephant. I'm going to squash and mould the paper into the shape of the elephant and hold it all together with masking tape. Masking tape is a very versatile material. It can mask areas that you want to hide when you're painting something, but you can also paint on it, and that's what we're going to use when we decorate this elephant. Okay, we're slowly covering the surface. The paper and the masking tape have similar qualities. The drying times are about 3 minutes. Now you have your model finished. I'm going to add a little bit of decoration with the markers to really bring it alive. You know what? I think this red's a little aggressive for this elephant, and I'm going to change it. That's actually quite easy because you can just put some more masking tape over the top. Works a lot better. Bringing the surface alive, I think. Put some in the ears. The decoration is finished. It's a good idea to let it dry for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to do the eyes. There we have the finished elephant. This concludes our video on paper, but do check out our website for more information about different materials and techniques. If you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and follow us on YouTube and on our social media channels.